On the occasion of today's World Pasta Day, here is a local dish here from Puglia, where I live, to be precise, from Bari. Spaghetti all'assassina. It only dates back to 1967, which is indeed quite young for this channel. Spaghetti all'assassina means female killer spaghetti and refers to its spiciness and to the smoky burnt taste. A lot of variations have since been made to this dish, toasting the raw spaghetti in oil or adding cheese. But this is the original recipe, according to its inventor Enzo Francavilla.